Hi, I will show you a small trick I do in my house right now. We have a lot of pictures like this generic pictures, especially on the staircase, and we have a lot of incidents where these pictures are falling down when my wife or my daughter they're passing near them like a storm. Yeah. So that's why we have a lot of pictures broken, with a lot of glass broken on the floor, and these frames are we have quite a lot of frames re-glued. So what I decide to do, I will do leveling of the picture, and after that I will glue it. I will show you how I will do one of them. So obviously all the pictures are already fixed. The ones which are fixed right now, I use the screwdriver on this side. I will work with the multi-handle, with the titanium multi-handle on this video, but obviously you can do this job with a pen and the bubble level, or if you have the pocket toolbox, you can use that with the multi-handle on it. Yeah. So what I will do, I will actually level the picture with the bubble level from the multi-handle. Yeah, I level it. I will hold it in place, and I will mark the corners here on both edges, so on the bottom and on lateral. You might seen that the marks are already here, because this is not the first time when I film this video. Apparently it's much easier to do this job rather than fix the camera even with a bad light like here, and I have to film again this. Yeah, so you have the mark here, and now every time this picture is moving, you will not have any discussion with anybody. You just put it back on the mark here on the corner, and that's it. Yeah, it's straight. More like more than this, I will use this kind of thing. I think in United States or somewhere else it's called the Sugru. This is from Germany, from Amazon. I will use 2 of these pills. One somewhere here, and one on the other corner. Now I will bring the picture again on the mark here, and I will glue it. Well, I will press it so it will stay fixed. And now the picture is quite fixed and will not fall down. Again, it's very easy trick. Maybe some of you already know this trick. You don't need too many tools for this. Maybe some of you will say that you don't know, you don't need this trick. Sorry, whatever. If you know other trick, let me know in the comments, and in this way we'll learn together. Until next time, may the tool be with you. Bye.